Hello world, this is my final project of CS50, the Blue Alien. Let's check it out. So the Blue Alien is a game built using Lua and Love. So that's the intro music. So let's go ahead and start the game. So to actually move my spaceship, all I have to do is hit up, down, left or right button on the keyboard. And to cast the laser, all I have to do is hold my space bar. See, the HP is indeed decreasing. And the reason I choose this avatar is because you know, the Mario game. Okay, for those CS50 students. And the reason I choose blue color for the HP bar is because I suppose the blood flowing in the veins of this little alien is blue color. Okay, as you can see, as my level progresses, it's indeed moving faster and faster, and my laser is getting stronger and stronger. Okay. So if I want to pause the game, all I have to do is hit the escape button. That's it, and hit enter to continue. Oh, watch out! And let's go ahead and quit the game. Okay, so that's it. That's my game. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. So my name is Tommy Wong. I'm from Malaysia, and this is the Blue Alien.